Hi Nikhil, how are you?
Yeah, hi. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So Nikhil, can you tell me what is the importance of super keyword in Java?
Yeah, super keyword. If whenever we are calling different methods from parent class,
Hmm.
from the child class, so we can use super keyword.
Okay, fine. Okay. What is interface in Java?
Yeah, interface in Java, where it will be maintaining only abstract methods.
Hmm.
These methods will don't have any body, and these interfaces have one advantage like we can implement these interfaces in the classes. So in classes, basically it don't support multiple inheritance,
Hmm.
but with the help of interface, we can achieve multiple inheritance in
Multiple
the
inheritance.
classes.
Okay. So can you write a program which in which you are able to achieve multiple inheritance using the interface?
Yeah,
Yeah. So I'm giving you, you have the screen sharing rights. You have to click on share screen button. Whichever ID you are comfortable with, you can write in that.
yeah. Uh, I should use Notepad or ID.
If you can use ID, it would be great. Or online Java compiler, whichever you are comfortable. Fine. So this is the interface that you have created.
Yeah,
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you have two interfaces and you have one class which is implementing these two interfaces, and you have the methods void keys, void lock, print A, print B. Okay. Where are you using this integer G and H?
Okay.
Yeah, those are not used anywhere.
No, I haven't.
You can create the method in interface A and B. That is also fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I have had.
Okay, great. So integer H, integer G. Where did you add them? Interface B. So where have you used this two variables?
I haven't used.
Oh, wait, I'll show you the code. That line you can create. Let me share my screen and can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one of your interface, parent one. This is another interface. And here we are just defining the method signatures. Now we have got one child interface which is extending these two multiple interfaces, parent one and parent two. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is your one of that particular method. Now you create one class which implements your child interface. So here you'll write public void show parent one, right? This is your parent one, and here you are getting the method body for this particular method.
Yeah. Correct.
Then show parent two body, show child body is there. Okay. Now in public static void main, you have to create an object of this class and you have to call all these methods one by one. Show parent one, show parent two, and show child. So that's
Yeah.
how you would be writing the code using interfaces. Fine. Can you write the code? How would you sort an array in a descending order? So you take any array, right? Are you aware? Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. How about method overriding? Can you write a code for method overriding? Polymorphism?
Yeah.
Yeah. So polymorphism consists of two things. One is overloading, one is overriding. You have to first
Correct. Correct.
overriding and then you have to write for overload. A lot of practice you have done, it seems. Right?
Yeah.
So which website you are referring to for all these practices?
I'm using some dummy website.
Okay, great.
So method overriding can be implemented by interface also. Can I use interface and create
Yes,
method
yes.
overriding?
You can use as per your own way.
Can I use the existing code? Previously, we have added one code.
Yeah, you can use it. No worries.
Hmm. Yeah, this is method
Overriding, right?
overriding. Yeah.
Great. Okay, now how about method overloading?
Yeah. So method overloading in the sense, it will be
You
having same
have
method
one method with one parameter. You have the same method with two
with
parameters. You have the same method,
yeah,
three parameters like that.
yes, yes. Actually, I'm getting some error.
Mhm. What error you are getting? Public void get t get h. So here, I think you have to keep the method in the fifth line. You have kept method name as get t. Same method name you use in get it. Yeah, get t. Okay. Now you create the object methods empty equal to new methods. Now using methods. Okay, instead of methods, if you can change the name of the class because methods.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Actually,
Okay, triple S was that. Okay.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, now
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great, wonderful. Fine. Can a constructor be private? Okay, so this is fine. Let us move to the next question. Can a constructor be private?
Constructor.
Hmm. What is constructor in Java?
So constructor in the sense,
Hmm.
it is used to initialize the objects.
Hmm.
So constructor name will be same as the class name.
Hmm.
There will be no return type.
Correct.
Yeah. So when object is created, default constructor will be invoked,
Hmm.
and we can also have parameterized constructors
Hmm.
where we can have method constructor method overloading.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can a constructor be private?
No, constructor cannot be private.
Okay. Let this be an open question for the people who are watching this video. Can we have a constructor to be private in Java?
Okay.
Okay. So what is the difference between default constructor and parameterized constructor?
Yeah, default constructor, when object is created, it will be by default it will be created
Hmm.
without mentioning any constructor in the class. It will be created when object is called.
Hmm.
But parameterized constructor, we have to explicitly mention parameterized constructor
Mhm.
by giving the parameters.
Okay. Okay. Does map support null keys?
Yeah, so values will support null keys,
Hmm.
whereas key doesn't support null keys.
Okay. See, map will support null keys, and if you are implementing tree map, then it does not allow null keys as well, right? Only one null key is allowed in the hash map. Okay. Okay. Can we declare constructor as static in Java?
I have no idea.
Okay. See, constructors cannot be static in Java because see, constructors are used to create instances. Okay.
Correct, good.
So static means it is belonging to the class, not an instance. So static constructors will not have anything in Java.
Got it. So when object is created, only
Then
constructor
only
will
the
be called, right?
constructor is coming
Yeah,
into the picture.
got it.
Right? Yeah. Okay, Nikhil, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I have no question.